Hi, today I've heard of new Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to edit or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just pinch, then we'll see widgets icon, tap on it, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add to your home screen. So you should just select one from the available widgets, just hold for a while the widget and drag it to your home screen. By this way, not enough space. Okay, let's find more space on our screen and just let's add the notes one. Hold it and drag it here to the home screen. Now we could see that this widget added successfully. If you want to move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.